Hey, what is going on YouTube? Cinnabon here, and in this video I'm going to show you my setup for growing hydroponic tomatoes. This video was taken on June 3rd, 2019. I'm going to make a few videos showing the progress of how the tomatoes grow, so I hope they do well. So the first thing that I did was take the plants and put them in the small pebble stone, which is in the 5-inch slotted cups that allow liquid nutrients to flow through, down into the bigger river rock. The nutrients gets pumped up through the black tubing. From here, it pumps through the plants and returns to the reservoir through the PVC pipe. Inside the tote, there's a submersible pump that pumps the nutrient water. As the plants get bigger, it's best to leave the system running constantly rather than having it on a timer. For the nutrients themselves, I use calcium nitrate, master blend, and Epsom salts. I follow the recommended chart for the nutrients, which for 5 gallons equals out to 2 teaspoons of calcium nitrate, 2 teaspoons of master blend, and 1 teaspoon of Epsom salts. Stay tuned on my channel for video updates of how the tomatoes are growing. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.